This week in VR news, Unity and Apple's surprising collaboration, VR helicopter pilot training, and the Bank of America's employee training modules. Let's jump right in. To start things off, Unity announces that they're launching a beta program for the Apple Vision Pro. The popular game development platform is coming to the Vision Pro, which opens the door for a lot of new content for Apple's upcoming headsets. So really excited for this collab. The existence of the Unity engine on the headset opens the door for a ton of existing work to be ported onto the Vision Pro. Next, the US Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA for short, is testing virtual reality training for US pilots. The FAA is currently testing a VR simulator from a startup called Loft Dynamics. And as you can see here, the system consists of VR headsets and a frame structure that replicates the cockpit and control panel of a helicopter. And although some more testing still needs to be done, it was stated that these VR simulators are being sought after to reduce the training costs of traditional methods and improve efficiency. So it's always great seeing VR used in training, and this just shows how effective it can be. Now lastly, the Bank of America is using VR to prepare employees for worst-case scenarios and teach them how to properly handle disgruntled customers. The point is to accustom users with uncomfortable feelings so that they don't act on these feelings and know how to temper their reactions in real-life situations. The simulation and training modules are an engaging way to train and introduce new employees to the difficulties of the job. This is just another example of how VR gives you the opportunity to practice and roleplay in a safe space so that you're prepared for any situation that occurs in the real world. That's it for this week's VR recap. We'll see you guys again next week. Peace.